All right, this is summer of 2025. We're at week 21 on this project. Just give you some updates. This is going to be the animatronics lab in August. So they're going to move up to the fourth floor, all the scanning equipment, and we're going to take over this space. So we've got some donated, some polo loo, and all kinds of cool gear for the lab. This is also an update for the 3D printers that were in my office. They are moving on to the armory to be utilized for other types of printing and also to break them down, the ones that are not working. So we have two new printers working pretty well. This is just some setup for the stepper motors. And this week has been working on trying to get the encoder to work. So doing a lot of measurements to get the coupling to work with the encoder. So there's a lot of trial and error to try to get this measurements correct. So we could have this little tiny little ring sitting properly, and also with the 8mm rod with the gearbox. So kind of developed a system to hold it in place. Doesn't look great, but it does work. This is a real quick update on the second and third base. We have CNC'd them out, 3D printed them, real quick Bondo, about a day's worth of sanding and Bondoing. We're at the final stage now, and now working on the second and third head. This is the base where the fingers are, and today I'll start designing the upper head. So hopefully by Thursday and Friday this week, we will have that all finished. This is Matt, update.
This is Matt, and this week I've been mostly working on getting the encoder set up with the stepper motor. So here Thomas printed an encoder to fit to the stepper motor, and then over here I have the encoder measurements. If you turn the stepper motor, then the encoder measurements will change. I'm turning it right now and they are changing. As you can see, turning it, they change.